If you use Grammarly and you're not quite sure how to log in, or you just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full Grammarly account login process step by step so you can get into your dashboard in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type in grammarly.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Grammarly website. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a login button there. Click on login to continue. After that, Grammarly will take you to the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address that you used when you created your Grammarly account. Make sure you type it correctly because if the email is wrong, you may not be able to access the account you want. Once your email is entered, click Continue. Now Grammarly will ask for your password. Type in your password carefully, keeping in mind that passwords are case sensitive. If you know your password, enter it and click Sign In. If your account is connected to a third-party service, you may also see other options like Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or Continue with Facebook. In that case, you can simply choose the option that matches the account you originally linked to Grammarly. If you choose one of those one-click login methods, just follow the on-screen prompts and allow Grammarly to connect your account. This can save time and make logging in much faster, especially if you use the same sign-in method every time. After a brief moment, Grammarly will verify your login details and redirect you to your main dashboard. From there, you can start writing, editing, and checking your content right away. Whether you're using Grammarly for school, work, or personal writing, the login process is quick once you know where to click. If you ever have trouble logging in, double-check your email address, make sure your password is correct, and confirm that you're on the official Grammarly website. Those simple steps solve most login issues, and that's how to log into your Grammarly account. If this video helped, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.